Have you ever felt a deep yearning within your soul, a longing for something more, something beyond the ordinary? Have you ever wondered if there is a secret prayer, a sacred chant, or a magical incantation that could unlock the doors to your deepest desires and manifest them into reality? In the journey of life, we often find ourselves seeking answers, searching for meaning, and yearning for fulfillment. We seek success, love, abundance, and happiness, but sometimes, despite our best efforts, these things seem to elude us. We may turn to various methods and techniques, hoping to find the key to unlock the secrets of the universe and manifest our desires effortlessly. But what if the secret prayer to manifest anything lies not in the words we speak, but in the intention behind them? What if the true power of prayer lies not in asking for what we want, but in surrendering to the divine will and trusting in the process of life? We will explore the essence of prayer, the power of intention, and the art of manifestation. We will delve into the depths of the soul, uncovering the hidden truths that lie within, and discover the secret prayer that can help us manifest anything our heart desires. The power of intention is a guiding force in manifesting our desires. Setting a clear and focused intention directs our energy and attention towards what we want to create in our lives. It is the first step in the manifestation process, as it establishes the direction for our thoughts, actions, and emotions. When we set an intention, we are essentially making a commitment to ourselves and the universe. We are declaring our desires and aligning ourselves with the energy of what we want to attract. This act of clarity and purpose sends a powerful message to the universe, signaling our readiness to receive. Setting your intention involves getting clear on what you truly desire, whether it's a specific goal, a feeling, or a state of being. It requires you to tap into your deepest desires and align them with your highest values and beliefs. By setting a clear intention, you are focusing your mind and energy on what you want to create, rather than what you don't want. This shift in focus opens up new possibilities and opportunities, allowing you to manifest your desires with greater ease and speed. In essence, the power of intention is the power to create your reality. By setting your intention and aligning yourself with your desires, you can manifest anything your heart desires. The art of surrender is a profound practice that involves letting go of our need to control outcomes and trusting in the natural flow of life. It requires us to release our attachment to specific outcomes and instead surrender to the wisdom of the universe. This act of surrender does not imply passivity or resignation. Rather, it is an active process of aligning ourselves with the higher purpose and trusting that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Surrendering involves letting go of our fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs that hold us back from manifesting our desires. It requires us to trust that the universe has a plan for us and that everything is happening for our highest good. By surrendering, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and allow miracles to unfold in our lives. Surrendering is not always easy, especially when we are faced with challenges or setbacks. However, it is during these times that surrendering becomes most important. By letting go of our resistance and trusting in the process, we can navigate through difficult times with grace and ease. In essence, the art of surrender is about releasing our need for control and trusting in the divine timing of the universe. It is a practice that requires faith, courage, and a deep sense of inner knowing. The sacred prayer is a heartfelt communication with the divine, a moment of connection that transcends words and touches the deepest parts of our being. It is a sacred ritual that allows us to commune with the divine presence within and around us, aligning our intentions with the higher consciousness of the universe. When we engage in sacred prayer, we are not just reciting words. We are opening ourselves up to the infinite wisdom and love of the divine. It is a moment of surrender, a letting go of our ego and allowing the divine to guide us. The sacred prayer can take many forms, from traditional prayers passed down through generations to personal, heartfelt expressions of gratitude and devotion. What matters most is the intention behind the prayer, the sincere desire to connect with something greater than ourselves. Through the sacred prayer, we can tap into the limitless power of the universe and manifest our desires with grace and ease. It is a reminder that we are never alone, that we are always supported and guided by the divine presence that dwells within us. Manifesting miracles is about recognizing the subtle signs and synchronicities that guide us towards our desires and taking inspired action to bring them to fruition. It involves being attuned to the messages of the universe and trusting in the process of manifestation. When we are open to receiving, we begin to notice signs and signals from the universe that indicate we are on the right path. These signs may come in the form of coincidences, intuitive nudges, or unexpected opportunities that present themselves to us. It is important to pay attention to these signs and follow where they lead, trusting that they are guiding us towards our desires. Taking inspired action is about acting on these signs with faith and confidence, even when the outcome is uncertain. It is about stepping out of our comfort zones and taking bold, decisive actions that align with our intentions. By taking inspired action, we demonstrate our commitment to our desires and show the universe that we are ready to receive. Manifesting miracles requires a combination of faith, intuition, and action. It is about believing in the limitless possibilities of the universe and taking proactive steps to bring our desires into reality. When we are open to receiving and willing to take inspired action, miracles can and do happen. Gratitude and grace are powerful practices that can transform our lives and open us up to the abundance of the universe. Cultivating a heart of thankfulness involves acknowledging and appreciating the blessings in our lives, both big and small, and recognizing the beauty and wonder that surrounds us. When we approach life with gratitude, we shift our perspective from one of lack to one of abundance. Instead of focusing on what we don't have, we focus on what we do have, and in doing so, we attract more blessings into our lives. Gratitude is like a magnet, drawing to us more of what we are grateful for. Grace is about extending kindness and compassion to ourselves and others, even in difficult situations. It is about accepting things as they are and finding peace and contentment in the present moment. When we cultivate grace, we let go of the need to control outcomes and trust in the divine timing of the universe. Together, gratitude and grace create a state alignment with the universe, allowing us to manifest our desires with ease and grace. By cultivating a heart of thankfulness and approaching life with grace, we open ourselves up to the infinite possibilities that lie before us. The power of visualization is a potent tool for manifesting our desires, as it harnesses the creative power of the mind to bring our dreams into reality. By creating a clear mental image of what we want to manifest, we align our thoughts and emotions with our intentions, sending a powerful message to the universe. Visualization involves imagining ourselves already in possession of our desires, feeling the emotions associated with achieving them, and visualizing the details of our success. This process activates the creative forces of the subconscious mind, which then works to bring our visions into physical form. When we visualize regularly and with focus, we program our subconscious mind to seek out opportunities and take actions that will lead us closer to our goals. It also helps to eliminate limiting beliefs and fears that may be holding us back, replacing them with confidence and positivity. Visualization is not about wishful thinking or fantasy. It is about creating a blueprint for our future and taking inspired action to bring it to life. By harnessing the power of visualization, we can manifest our desires with greater clarity and purpose, creating a life filled with abundance and joy. Affirmations and declarations are powerful tools for manifesting our desires and bringing them into existence. They involve speaking positive statements aloud or silently to ourselves, reinforcing beliefs and intentions that align with our goals and desires. By repeatedly affirming our desires, we reprogram our subconscious mind and align our thoughts and emotions with what we want to create. Affirmations are most effective when they are positive, present tense, and personalized. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be wealthy," one could say, "I am wealthy and abundant in all areas of my life." By stating our desires as if they are already true, we create a powerful energy that attracts those desires to us. Declarations are similar to affirmations, but are often more assertive and commanding. They involve declaring our intentions to the universe with conviction and certainty. For example, "I declare that I am deserving of all the abundance the universe has to offer." By incorporating affirmations and declarations into our daily routine, we can reprogram our subconscious mind, overcome limiting beliefs, and align ourselves with the energy of abundance. When spoken with conviction and belief, affirmations and declarations can be powerful tools for manifesting our desires and creating the life we truly desire. Aligning with the energy of abundance involves cultivating a positive mindset that is focused on gratitude, optimism, and abundance. It is about shifting our perspective from one of scarcity to one of abundance, recognizing the abundance that already exists in our lives and attracting more of it into our experience. Cultivating a positive mindset involves being mindful of our thoughts and beliefs and consciously choosing to focus on the positive aspects of life. It is about letting go of negative self-talk, limiting beliefs, and fears that hold us back from experiencing true abundance. One way to align with the energy of abundance is through the practice of gratitude. By acknowledging and appreciating the blessings in our lives, we open ourselves up to receiving more blessings. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have, and in doing so, creates a positive energy that attracts more abundance into our lives. Another way to align with the energy of abundance is through visualization and affirmations. By visualizing ourselves living a life of abundance and affirming positive statements about abundance, we program our subconscious mind to attract more abundance into our lives. Overall, aligning with the energy of abundance is about adopting a mindset of abundance, gratitude, and positivity, and allowing these vibrations to attract more abundance into our lives. Releasing limiting beliefs is a crucial step in clearing the path for manifestation. Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts and beliefs that we hold about ourselves, others, and the world around us. These beliefs can create barriers that prevent us from manifesting our desires and living a fulfilling life. To release limiting beliefs, we must first identify them and become aware of how they are affecting our lives. This requires introspection and self-awareness, as limiting beliefs are often deeply ingrained in our subconscious mind. Once we have identified our limiting beliefs, we can begin the process of releasing them. This involves challenging these beliefs and replacing them with more empowering and positive beliefs. Affirmations, visualization, and other mindset techniques can be helpful in this process. Releasing limiting beliefs also requires forgiveness, both of ourselves and others. By letting go of past hurts and resentments, we create space for new, positive beliefs to take root. By releasing limiting beliefs, we clear the path for manifestation and open ourselves up to the infinite possibilities of the universe. We free ourselves from self-imposed limitations and allow our true potential to shine through. Divine timing is the belief that everything happens in our lives at the perfect moment, orchestrated by a higher power or the universe. It is about trusting that there is a divine plan for our lives, and that everything is unfolding exactly as it should, even when it may not seem that way. Trusting in divine timing requires a deep sense of faith and surrender. It means letting go of our need to control outcomes and trusting that the universe has a plan for us that is far greater than we can imagine. It is about accepting that there may be delays or detours on our path, but ultimately, everything is leading us towards our highest good. When we trust in divine timing, we can relax and enjoy the journey of life, knowing that everything is happening in perfect order. We can let go of worry and anxiety, knowing that the universe has our back and is guiding us every step of the way. By trusting in divine timing, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities and opportunities that we may not have considered. We allow ourselves to be guided by the wisdom of the universe, knowing that it will always lead us to where we are meant to be.